Karibu mtalii Bush Palace.
Yes, karibu. Chief Dada, karibu.
Thank you so much.
Jambo.
These are the bonfire dadas. So Chief Dada, karibu sana. As Simon has told you, these are the top performers, but they are also part of the bonfire dadas. Bonfire, actually, the Dada Club took over 100 people, but at least we had to get the committee in the steering committee. Sasa wakuje hapa wa strategize na wakaniambia that kama huyo Chief Dada anaweza kuja atuelezee sana about chamas, because wanataka washapeniwe ili hata wao chama yao wafanye kitu kubwa hata kuliko hii mtalii Bush Palace. Yeah, so sasa karibu sana. The first thing before hata waanze kuuliza maswali, maybe tutaomba ruhusa kwa chairlady atukaribishe. So chama nini? So
hi guys.
Hi.
Team Bonfire, hoye! Team Bonfire! I can see we are happy today. It's a beautiful day. Thank you so much for joining us. So we are here to learn more about how Dada can help us as a chama, how to grow, what Dada can do for us, so that we become better women. Yeah, so we are here to learn.
Wanaitangwa atumia gadha. Now what I tell people, whether you are single or married, you can still be a mutumia gadha, because in Proverbs 31 that woman was a hustler. So when I talk of a mutumia gadha, I talk of a hustler. For those who don't understand French, I am talking of a virtuous woman. So whether you are single or not, as long as you can provide for your children, then you qualify to be a virtuous woman. You know that verse that they say that when she looks at her harvest, she can laugh at the days ahead. So all of us as dadas, we need to look at our harvest na tunajua hata kama last year venye ilikuwa mbaya, that we can still survive. Yeah,
so karibu sana. We are here to learn and to hear more. Yeah.
And congratulations, Chairlady.
Thank you.
Very nice to meet you and all the daughters.
Yes.
Asanteni sana. I can see hata mko na calculator. Yani you guys are ready.
Hapa na nyuki lazima pia wapate kamtali yao.
Yes. Thank you for the invite. Actually, I just happened to visit our Stanbic Nanyuki branch, so then we are always talking. Yeah,
lazima ukae karibu na mdosi wako.
Our clients are the bosses, so I just happened to be in Nanyuki, and then Sarah told me, Alam, we are having a chama. Do you have anything for chamas? I told her, I'm landing. So feel free, even besides the bonfire chama, if you have also another chama with your sisters at home and you want to talk to me, whether it's on Zoom or not, just book a meeting and we can come into your meeting via Zoom, or if it is convenient, physically, of course, but social distance.
Jana I was in a Zoom meeting over a certain chama that I am in. Yeah, and like I've seen nowadays, 8 p.m. is the perfect time for chamas to meet. Yeah, so at 8 p.m. unaweza patikana for the Zoom meeting.
For us, we are very focused on what the woman is doing, and of course, we know Dada means dare to aspire, dare to achieve. So we are daring the women, and we are also daring ourselves to walk with that woman wherever she is. So hata kama meeting is of 8 o'clock, we will be there. Let's just plan and be there, because if it's convenient for you and that's the time you people meet, then we want to be there so that we can walk.
Sasa before we go very far, mimi hata wa leo, mimi naitango ule Madam Dada, na watu wananiuliza bado what is Dada? Hiyo banki ya Dada ni, you know, they want to hear more. So first, ebu ambie what I know it means dare to aspire, dare to achieve. But what is it? Which bank?
Yeah. Thank you, Madam. And then you see, there is the dare to aspire, Dare to Achieve, which is the acronym for DADA, unfortunately. But then again, there's DADA. So this is DADA, women. Yeah. So basically, our bank has gone out and actually
That is Stanbic Bank.
Stanbic Bank Kenya
Yes.
has gone out and put resources into finding out what does the woman want from our bank. So like I told you, we have done a survey across borders, and they told us a few things. Respect, they don't have titles, they want unsecured, they want to be recognized, they even want to come to the banking hall with their children, and we should not complain. Remember how banks used to be stiff and then very biased, and then now they told us that. So you see, they want to come into the banking hall and feel respected. They want to be listened to. They want to come and find that, okay, who is dealing that, or is there a way I can be addressed? Because again, by the time a woman tells you what she wants, it can be quite a story. So are we listening or just hearing? So previously banks just used to hear, and then we have a standard product for everybody, yet we are not equal. Yeah. So we decided we're going to build a community. It is a proposition. It's not an account. It's not a product. It is
a network.
A network of women. So let's say you guys are in the travel industry. Who are you looking for? So we go to travel. Where will you find it? See, this community that we are creating now, we'll be putting in bonfire flyers in those groups as we are chatting, as we are networking. So we decided to address the needs that they brought us in two ways. One, financial. Two, non-financial. Okay, so on the financial, we were addressing their borrowing needs. See, Dada need money. They want money for their business, whether you're salaried or not. Whatever Dada it is you are, whether you're in business, whether you're salaried, whether you're in a chama, whether you're a house CEO, because that work people write, but it is one of the best jobs on earth. How you manage your money, because even when you're a house CEO, see, there's money coming in. What are you doing with it? And out of that money, what savings are you making so that you can start building your little kingdom? You get it? So within that, the borrowing needs of the Dada, how she saves, how she invests, how she protects herself. You know, Dadas come in many ways. There are Dadas who are married, you run this home, is it insured? You run a business, it is your business, you have key man, cover. If you're not there, will the business continue? Are your children, are they insured? Is your house insured? Is your life even insured? Please remember, you've insured your car, not yourself. When you put car insurance in Gadi, see where. So all those things come under protect. Then what other investment options are there? What do I want to do? Do I want to build a house? Do I want to play in the equities market? Do I want treasury bonds? Do I want bills? And what are they anyway? So we also get into that space where we are educating you on those investment options that are available in the market. Now on the non-financial space, now we are here, for example, you call me, what did you want to know? Why did you call me? One, because you need information. You want to know what is it that the bank can offer for women like you in a chama and as an individual, as a salaried woman. So education, information, networking, opportunities. Because now from here, can you imagine when we have a gathering or when we have training, because we go online and we are starting on 27th. For example, on 27th we will be doing public procurement, tendering. Women are going into that business, public tendering. How do you do it?
Oh, by the way, and now that you are talking about tendering, even last week somebody was asking me, do you fund LPOs? What is it called? Like if I'm a Dada and I have gotten a tender, can you be able to like fund my LPO so that I can deliver the goods?
Of course we can. Plus even when you've delivered and you've invoiced, we can invoice, discount it. So just come and talk to us. So first of all, there are so many Dadas, like now they are thinking, you can see AGPO. See, they've been given opportunities, like special categories for women. Sometimes we can't even meet that. Guys are coming with the guise of women because you can. So we are going to teach you the process. So please log in.
Ati 27th ni Zoom ama itakuwa wapi?
Nitakwambia na utasambaza, hata nitakupatia uweke link kwako ndio
online.
Kuja. I think probably we'll take it on Facebook so that every woman can register. So but you have to register. Okay? So imagine small things like that. So somebody will know how to do these things, because sometimes it's the little things. Inatoka wapi form, inajazwaje, what do you say here? So we will show you all that. Then beyond that, now we go into something like processes, people that you have in your business. Are they the right people? So mko hapa, mnawacha nani kwa
By the way, let me ask you, chama kama hii tunaweza hata sisi ingia kwa tenda, tukatenda for something.
Sindio, if it's a registered chama, why not?
Now our chama, register chama.
Yeah. So regardless whether it is registered or not registered, we can still deal with you. Yeah, we can still lend you money. So the last category that we were dealing with, that the data told us is very important, is their wellness and then of course rewards. Yeah. So probably tukitoka hapa hata bonfire mtaniambia discount gani mnaweza kutupatia tupatie wadada. Yes, ndio. Bonfire deals. You see?
So ziko kwanza za Valentine's, zenye kwanza ziko tu discounted for dada. Waende wapelekee watu wao.
Yes.
Kila dada ako na mtu wake, na sasa tunaambiangwa ati sasa tukijoin dada tunachanuka sana. Sasa mpaka tunashindwa kusikia wanaume wetu. Sasa hapo mtatusaidiaje juu sasa mmetuchanua sana mpaka sometimes inakuwa hard kunini. Sasa wanaume wanatuogopa ati wanasema sasa hawa wamama wamechanuka sana, sasa hawezi weka mbibi kama huyo kwa nyumba.
But you see, you see, tulikuwa na Simon hapa tu sahi. Si bado yuko kwa nyumba.
Guys, mnaona hata mimi you can chanuka, uomoke na bado remain a virtuous woman. Yes. Yeah. So ukiangalia the Proverbs 31 woman was saying that the husband used to say that many women are good, but my wife surpasses them all. So let your husband praise you that even if my wife is a hustler and is making it in this corporate world or business world, she's still a good person. So msiogope kujoin dada, because I'm telling you, when a woman succeeds, the whole family or the society inakuwa uplifted. Yeah.
So far so good?
Yes.
Is there anybody with a question, a burning question?
Yeah, I would like to ask, for the dada, do you finance young ladies of 20s? It has a certain age limit.
Okay.
Oh, yani anafikiria dada yani ni watu wa over 40 years.
Dada is for everybody. Everybody salaried, employed, in business. That's what we say. So depending. You see also, we want to give you money responsibly. Get it? So if you're not working, you're borrowing, how will you repay? So if at 20 you have a job, well and good. But normally we would have to have a conversation in like, so how much are you earning? If you are 20, how long have you worked for? Are you saving? Are you thinking of umeingia tu na unataka kubora? You know, getting into debt immediately. So we can have conversations around that. But yes, we deal with dadas in all capacities. You could be 20 and you're sitting on the board of some very big company in this country. So and you're earning 1 million, so you're dreaming big. So we are here, we are there, and we transform. So, any other question?
Yes, I have a burning question.
Yes.
I'd like to ask on behalf of my fellow women.
Yes.
Well, are you able to help us acquire property through our contribution from our chama?
Yeah.
And once that is done, how can you protect this property for our next generation, like for our children, in case I'm not there? Will you be able to protect that property for my kids?
Okay.
Thank you.
So, first of all, and thank you for the question.
Yes.
First of all, remember you're a chama, senior.
Yeah.
So you have a constitution already that deals with if a member is not there, how does the other generation become part of this group, or how do you transition these things? So all those things when you're in a chama should be very tight, because these are real situations. These things do happen. So basically on the protect, there are many types of protect. So we have children's education, we have Stansure, which has a 4-in-1. There's the life insurance, the personal insurance, your household goods, and then the last expense, which most people don't like talking about, but we have to talk about it because it is inevitable. So we have a 4-in-1 for dadas, and also we have the medicals and all that you can think of. So just talk to us. We have a Stanbic Insurance Agency that can address that need very professionally for you. So,
Thank you so much.
But as a chama, bottom line is what is in your constitution.
Chief Dada,
Yes.
so I'm seeing the sun is going down,
Yes.
and the chef pale ametuandalia sundowner kali.
Yes.
So maybe we need to transition tuende tukawatch the sunset. You know we are still on holiday. Or tuende to bite vitu hapo. Yeah, but I know this group is dreaming big. They want to even have their own property huku Nanyuki, a whole hotel, like tiny home cottages.
Wow.
Yeah. This is a gap that has been missing in Kenya, and I know through Dada you will help them to achieve that. Kila mmoja akuwe na ka cottage kake, still under the Bonfire Dadas chama.
Exactly.
Yes.
So you see, you can go.
Yeah, that's why you should join such chamas.
Yes.
You know, iron sharpens iron.
Yes.
Yes.
And you start somewhere. There's always the first step. Like I keep telling you, it is called 1 shilling today. Tomorrow it will be called 2 bob. The next day it will be called 3 bob. It will never be called a shilling again. You start putting a shilling on top of another shilling. And there are so many areas where our money is going unnecessarily. To tunes, if you what. So just think who you, for example, you called today, who you actually didn't need to call it. You are calling them for what? To talk about what? That time you may enter. You're being told save 3,000 a month. You're already using 100 bob and 250 in a day. Yet 3,000 is 100 bob a day. You get it? So start small. Get it together also for resources so that you can put something good together. It happens. We've seen companies, Google, very many companies are started by chamas, very many investment groups. So you need to decide, do you want it registered or unregistered? If you are unregistered right now, we still deal with unregistered chamas at the bank. We also deal with registered. So you can come as you are. What kind of chama do you have, Charlie?
Ours is a round table. We have not registered yet.
In merry-go-round, Monachanka?
Yes.
And then you give somebody or?
We give somebody and then
Ananunua vyombo.
kuna ile emergency ya kuona wazazi.
Na mtu akipata baby.
Na mtu akipata kamtoto
akifanya harusi tunakuja na vitenge na tunanunua washing machine.
So let me tell you guys, I like that this is January 2021. First of all, we thank God that we are here. Serious. We are alive.
It's a great achievement.
Yes. Then secondly, I also thank God because you guys have actually dared to aspire. Now you've called because you want to do more. You've grown beyond now that merry-go-round. You're thinking tiny homes. Tiny homes for everybody so that an income is coming. Unaona pasara vile December kulikuwa kumeshona. Mtania, I tried calling by this Sarah. I thought we were friends.
By the way, we need more of this because so many people wanted and the house was only one.
And you know when you do it well, because you can see it's done well. When you do something well, now you sit back and play. So you guys need to gel very well. Contributions, mkae pamoja mshikane vizuri. Common goals. And then focus on that goal and then get it. And then we are here to support you. So we are here to make sure that you achieve that goal. You know, even the Bible says that God gives you something because you're responsible. Responsibility. So divide that word. Kuna response na kuna ability. Yeah. So when you're being given something, so when you respond, do you even have the ability to do what you've been given? That is what responsibility means. So sometimes God won't give you because you're not responsible. But when you hold each other accountable, when you come together to put money in one pool, then I don't see why you should succeed. And then we are here to support you. So,
okay. So we got to walk to the sundowner.
Thank you, Sarah.
Kwani mmemaliza? Na mimi hapa ni ile tu. Leo ni choma. Ninaona watu wanatoka wakiwa hivi kujua kusmile. Hiyo lazima mtu afanye akiwa na trouser. Sasa the sun as it sets.
Yeah. It's really nice.
Kuja hiyo lazima mtu akuje kama ako na trouser. Tunafanyanga hivi. For real.
Aya.
Hivi. Jambo. Sasa.
How have you been since the last time? Wow.
Yes.
Oh gosh, imagine these pineapples.
Yes.
Bacon. It's the pineapples and bacon.
So guys, karibuni sana.
Thank you so much.
Yes, karibuni.
Hey. We sit or we take?
You take then sit. Hapa kuna ile
Hiyo sasa when you go to Rome,
you do what Romans are doing. Hapa kuna ile kitu inaitwa
calamari.
naona Annabelle wewe
kuna kupwani.
Hi Simon.
Unasikia hiyo? Ja, haikweli.
Nilicheza kama mimi.
Tuwaite tusikia wajoijana. Sawa, fanya hiyo kazi.
Mnaweza waita for the
Alafu hii place kuna kuanga wanyama. Mtaona wanyama tu hapa. There's one there. Where is it? Oh, wapo kwa. Yes. So zebras zitakuwa hapa mbele. Zebras. Nice. Watu wameipenda sana.
Kwanza the family room. Oh, that is good.
Is this samosa?
Yeah, samosa.
Chicken.
Let me go back. Leo ni ile siku.
Thank you. Seafood ini?
Ndio siku. Hiyo ni mushroom.
Maybe mtu anasikia kwa baki. Hapa patakuja mpaka gazelle.
Hey, guys, we are ready for dinner tonight. And you know, at the only place that you got to experience the real candlelit dinner, Simon.
Mutali Bush Palace.
Together with Bonfire team.
Yes. The top performers. Tuko hapo.
Hey guys, let's go see how the setup is looking.
The treat tonight.
It's going down till morning.
At Mutali Bush Palace.
Right? Share with your friends.
Wow. The food. This is the main course. It's so yummy, as the Wazungus would say. Na wengine wanasema ina maguta. Yes, you see. Enjoying some sumptuous meal. Delicious. At Mutali Bush Palace. With the top bonfire performers you have. And here I am. Mimi na enjoy yangu pande east here. Yes. Chef Ati, what is this?
Which one?
The food.
Oh, these are lamb chops with some canned potatoes and seasonal vegetables. And on the side, we got some pork chops.
Okay.
Would you like some gravy on the side?
What is the gravy is made of what?
This is a beef gravy.
On the side.
Rosemary, yeah, on the side. Got some rosemary flavor. Yes.
Wow, this is Mutali Bush Palace. And the music is so nice. You feel kama chakula ina